Hello students, myself Rahul Kumar Deka. Today we will discuss about electrolytic conduction. So before going to electrolytic conduction, we have to know the electrical conductors. আজি আমি electrolytic conductionৰ কিছু basic idea লম কিন্তু তাৰ আগতে আমি জানি ল'ব লাগিব what are electrical conductors. So generally the substances which allow the flow of current are called electrical conductors. যিবোৰ সাবষ্টেন্সে কাৰেণ্ট ফ্লো কৰিব পাৰে বা কাৰেণ্ট কেৰি কৰিব পাৰে তেনেবিলাককে ইলেক্ট্ৰিকেল কণ্ডাক্টৰ্ছ বুলি কোৱা হয় The conductors are broadly classified into two categories. Number 1, metallic conductors or electronic conductors, and the number 2, electrolytic conductors. Generally আমি কণ্ডাক্টৰবিলাকক দুটা কেটেগৰীত ডিভাইড কৰিব পাৰোঁ প্ৰথমটো হৈছে metallic conductors or electronic conductors and second to hoise electrolytic conductors or electrolytes. So let's discuss about metallic conductors or electronic conductors. In these metallic conductors or electronic conductors, the conduction of electricity is due to the movement of free electrons from a higher negative potential to a lower one without producing chemical changes. The metallic conductor কাৰেণ্ট কেৰি কিহৰ বাবে হয় ডিউ টু মুভমেণ্ট অফ ফ্ৰী ইলেক্ট্ৰনছ আৰু ক'ৰ পৰা ক'লৈ হয় ফ্ৰম এ হায়াৰ নিগেটিভ পটেনচিয়েল টু এ লোৱাৰ নিগেটিভ পটেনচিয়েল চ' জেনেৰেলি মেটেলিক কণ্ডাক্টৰ্ছ অৰ ইলেক্ট্ৰনিক কণ্ডাক্টৰ্ছৰ এক্সাম্পল হ'ল মেটেলছ এলয়জ গ্ৰেফাইট কিছুমান ছলিড সল্ট লাইক কেডমিয়াম ছালফাইড অৰ কপাৰ ছালফাইড এটচেট্ৰা Now next the important point that is electrolytic conductors or electrolytes. In electrolytic conductors, flow of current is due to the movement or migration of ions towards oppositely charged electrodes and is accompanied by the chemical changes at electrodes. Generally electrolytic conductors by electrolytes or ক্ষেত্ৰত current carry কিহৰ বাবে হয় due to flow of or movement of ions. Generally cation বিলাক negative electrodeৰ ফালে যায় আৰু anion বিলাক positive electrodeৰ ফালে যায় গটিকে cathode আৰু anode সম্পৰ্কে তোমালোকে আগতে জানিছা সাগে generally those electrodes or the type of electrodes which attracts the cation are known as cathode. That's why cathode is negative and anode, that is the type of electrode which attracts anion, are known as anodes, and anodes are positive in nature. Okay, so electrolytic conductor or by electrolytes or example সম্পৰ্কে আমি জানো হেবিলাক হৈছে molten salts, aqueous solution of salts, acid and bases. এতিয়া main factor to হৈছে যে difference between metallic conductor and electrolytic conductor. So the first difference is metallic conductors can carry current due to flow of electrons and electrolytes can carry electricity or current due to flow of ions. The second difference is in case of metallic conductors there is no chemical change, but in case of electrolytes or electrolytic conductors there is chemical change. এতিয়া আমি কণ্ডাক্টেন্সৰ বিষয়ে জনাৰ আগতে before we know the definition or let's suppose discussion about conductance, we have to know the resistance. আমি কণ্ডাক্টেন্সৰ সম্পৰ্কে জানি লোৱাৰ আগতে আমি ৰেজিস্ট্যান্স সম্পৰ্কে কিছু জানি লোৱাটো দৰকাৰ আমি ৰেজিস্ট্যান্স সম্পৰ্কে ক্লাস 10 এ হোক বা হায়াৰ সেকেন্ডাৰীতে হোক কিছু পৰিমাণে আমি জানি আহিছো যে ৰেজিস্ট্যান্স is the opposing force which is applied by the conductor due to the material property, and the direction of resistance is definitely opposite to the direction of flow of current, and the resistance is directly related to the length of the conductor and is inversely related to the area of the conductor. That is, if the length is increased in the conductor or the wire, then resistance increased, and if we increase the area of cross section of that conductor, then resistance will decrease. So the mathematical expression for resistance is R is equal to rho L by A. Now rho is a constant and is known as resistivity or specific resistance. Unit of resistance is ohm and resistivity is ohm into meter. So the definition of resistivity or specific resistance is the resistance of a conductor in which the length is unity and the area is also unity. That is, suppose we take the length is 1 meter and the area of the conductor is 1 meter square. Now the important part one is the conductance. So conductance is the opposite of or reciprocal of resistance. Now the mathematical expression for conductance, that is L, is equal to 1 by R. That is kappa into A by L. Here kappa is the conductivity or specific conductance. Definitely conductivity is reciprocal to the resistivity. Now the mathematical expression for resistance and for kappa is equal to 1 by R into L by A. The unit of conductance is ohm inverse. Definitely the conductance is opposite to the or reciprocal to the resistance. That's why the unit of conductance is also ohm inverse or mho. Now the unit of conductivity, that is specific conductance, is ohm inverse into meter inverse. Now the definition of specific conductance or conductivity is the conductance of a material of a unit length and unit area of cross section. Or you can write conductivity is the conductance of a 1 meter cube of the material. But this is for a solid conductor. Now for electrolytic solution or electrolytic conductor, the definition of conductivity is the conductivity is the conductance of a 1 meter cube of the solution. So if we put the solution in a cubic box where the volume is 1 meter cube, then the conductance is known as the specific conductance or conductivity. In the next class, we will discuss about the main topics related to this chapter, that is equivalent conductance and molar conductance. So the basic definition of equivalent conductance and molar conductance are: the equivalent conductance of an electrolyte is defined as the conductance of a volume of solution containing 1 gram equivalent of the electrolyte placed between two parallel electrodes 1 meter apart. Suppose আমি 1 মিটাৰ ডিষ্টেন্সত দুডাল ইলেক্ট্ৰড প্ৰতিস্থাপন কৰিছোঁ আৰু তাৰ মাজত থকা সলিউশনখিনি যদি 1 গ্ৰাম ইকুইভ্যালেন্ট হয়, তেতিয়াহ'লে তাৰ যেটো কন্ডাক্টেন্স হ'ব, সেই ভলিউমৰ সলিউশনখিনিৰ যেটো কন্ডাক্টেন্স হ'ব, সেইখিনিকে আমি কি কম? ইকুইভ্যালেন্ট কন্ডাক্টেন্স কম। ঠিক তেনেকুৱাকৈ যদি 1 মিটাৰ এপাৰ্টত দুডাল প্যাৰেলাল ইলেক্ট্ৰড আমি ৰাখো আৰু তাৰ সেইখিনিত থকা ভলিউমখিনিত থকা সলিউশনখিনিৰ কনসেন্ট্ৰেশন যদি 1 মোল হয়, তেতিয়াহ'লে তাৰ কন্ডাক্টেন্সটোক আমি কি কম? মোলাৰ কন্ডাক্টেন্স কম।